Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Yamaha YAS-207 soundbar with wireless subwoofer. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. So the price is right. All right, so let's go through some of the features real quick. The world's first soundbar was DTS Virtual X and Virtual 3D surround sound. Now, its slim, understated design perfectly complements your TV. Now, you also get a wireless subwoofer for powerful bass with flexible placement. Now, this is also Bluetooth wireless music streaming capable. Now, you got a simple setup with HDMI, optical, or analog connections. Now, you also get 4K Ultra HD pass-through, 60 frames per second. All right, so all of that for $300. Let's check this out. Okay, so here we go. Yamaha YAS-207 soundbar with wireless subwoofer. Now you got Bluetooth streaming, ultra slim, simple setup, and it is wall mountable. You got your DTS and your Virtual X sound, 4K Ultra HD, and you got dual HDMI ports. Let's see anything else. Clear dynamic sound, wireless subwoofer, HDMI connectivity, and it is wall mountable. All right, you got Dolby Audio, DTS Virtual X. Now this is a big giant box, so let me pause the video. We'll open it up and see what you get inside. All right, so let's go through everything that you get in the box. You get your usual books and shit and your warranty information. Plug them and file them. You get your wall mount guide, so just in case you want to mount the speaker to the wall, use this to drill the holes. You get your remote control. We'll go through all the features on this in a second. You get two plugs, one for the soundbar, one for the subwoofer, and you get an optical cable. Now keep in mind, this is a $300 setup, so that's considered a budget soundbar, but look and feel wise, it definitely doesn't look cheap. So let's take a look at the soundbar first. Okay, nice weight on this. If you look at the top, has a piece of vinyl, kind of looks like leather, real nice. You got your cloth covering up all the speakers. Now you got 4 speakers underneath here. So on the front, you got your Yamaha branding. Here's all your LEDs. So you got DTS, DLP, HDMI, TV, analog, Bluetooth, surround, bass extension, and clear voice. Now you got 5 touch capacitive buttons, power, volume up and down, mute, and that looks like source. We'll play with that in a second. Underneath, you got some rubber stoppers. So just in case you want to have this flat. And you also have your mounting hooks on the back. Let's go through all the inputs real quick. Here's your TV, so that's optical. You got analog, 3.5. You got a USB for updates, and you got 2 HDMIs. So what that means is you can connect your TV via HDMI, and if you got something else like a PlayStation or Xbox, use the second HDMI. On the other side, here's your power input, and that's basically it. Now for the subwoofer, subwoofer is nice and heavy. You got this box-shaped design. On the front, you got a little Yamaha insignia. There's your bass radiator in the front. All cloth covering up the other sides. On the back, one connection only, that's your plug. Now you also have pairing, standby, and Wi-Fi. All right, simple. This should be an easy setup. Now, let's do a little sound test. So let me plug this in and we'll check it out. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we're back in. Now I got this all set up. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes, and I gotta be honest with y'all, for $300, this is a major go. Now, if you're looking for a quality soundbar and you're not trying to spend over $1,000 on the Sonos or the Bose or even $800 on the LG, then you want to check this one out. Now, this is going to be perfect for your kids' room, your game room, your utility room, if you got a guest room, or what I'm going to use this for is in the kitchen. So right now in my kitchen, I got a tablet on the counter and I got 2 Bose Revolve speakers. This is blowing that out the water. All right, for $300, this is a major go. All right, so let's go through some of the features on the remote first. Now you got your power button, that's gonna power up the unit. You can switch between HDMI, TV, analog, and Bluetooth. Now you got your surround sound button. Now I've been running some tests when I was setting this up, and the surround sound on this is pretty good. Now it's not mind-blowing, but it is surround sound, and it's gonna sound like you got speakers set up behind you and on the side of you, and they're all coming from the front. Now you got your stereo button, so if you're playing music, put it in stereo mode, it's gonna sound great. Now you got clear voice. So what clear voice is, say you're watching the show and the dialogue is low and you wanna increase the vocals, hit the clear voice button. Now you got bass extension, that's going to boost the bass on the subwoofer. You got your Bluetooth standby. You got dimmer, that's going to dim the actual lights on the LED on the soundbar. You got your volume up and down for the subwoofer, volume up and down for the soundbar, and a mute button. All right, so standard remote control functions. Now you also get an app that works with this soundbar. Let's check this out real quick. All right, so here's the app. So from the app, you got inputs. So you can switch between HDMI, Bluetooth, TV, and analog. You got your sound settings, so you can switch between 3D surround, TV programming, stereo, if you're watching a movie, music, sports, or a game. Now you have your sound controls. All right, so you can activate clear voice, you can activate your bass extension, and you can increase or decrease the subwoofer volume. Now for my testing, you see I got the bass extension on and subwoofer at maximum volume. Then you also got information and you got volume controls. All right, so that's a free app. All right, so let's run a little test real quick. I'll throw in some music. Now keep in mind, the mic is not gonna do this to true justice. Y'all gonna have to take my word for this. This is a major go. Now there's certain material I can't play due to copyright laws, so I'm just gonna play some music first and then I'll throw in a YouTube video. Let's check this out. All right, so first I'm just gonna play some music so you can hear how it sounds. Max volume. All right, so let's change some of the settings. Let's try 3D surround. All right, TV program. It's a lot more balanced when you put it on TV. All right, here's movie. Okay, music. We'll do sports. And let's try game. All right, so for music, so far I like stereo the best. All right, switch up the track. like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now keep in mind, when you set this up in your house, you're not gonna have the bass tube on the table right behind the soundbar. I just did this so y'all can see how it looks and get an idea of how it sounds. When I was testing it out, I had the soundbar on the floor. I had not the soundbar. I had the bass tube on the floor with the soundbar on the table, and it sounds way better. Now the mic is not really gonna do it justice. Y'all just gonna have to trust me on this one. All right, so let me pull up a video that has some actual dialogue and give you an idea how that sounds. All right, so I'm going to play this Injustice video, and we'll go through some of the different sound settings again. Check this out.
Now, Nick, he was saying that he was going to go Hellboy the whole tournament, and he went straight to Catwoman for this match. So, depending on what happened offline, maybe his Hellboy was getting hot, but...
This could be a run back? Yeah. No, wait, no. Nicky got thrown into losers by Mello.
Okay, let's try some of the sound settings.
Nicky possibly got the run back on Mello.
Yeah.
Maybe with Catwoman and not Hellboy. And
yeah.
Nicky's like, you know what? My Hellboy
so
sucks.
we'll put it on 3D surround.
He's like, well, this character's broke.
Look at that.
Why am I not? I played Full Gore in the Killer Instinct. Why would I not play Catwoman in Injustice 2?
Oh, man. He's getting super lucky getting those air gunshots.
Oh, the hyena still came out. As long as that bone tree leaves her hand, even if she gets hit right after, the hyena is coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Even if it has to come out of thin air, it's coming out.
It's beautiful because it will trade.
All right, so let's activate clear voice.
To regain her advantage.
Oh, okay. We talked about weird situations, and making the best out of them.
He was about to die. He was gonna die right now.
Oh yeah, he was gonna go into cat dash there. Throwing out the phone, and Nicky using the canopy there. Oh, that meter burn factory.
Let's try TV program.
So not even just when you're Catwoman and have that low profile ability, but it's just a great, universal option and mechanic available to anyone with one bar.
All right.
Now, 3D surround is the one.
Go for it again. Do it. Why not? Doesn't matter if you're plus. Doesn't matter if you're negative.
I would do it again.
I mean, he's got one more bar. Why not? It'll get him the win. No,
he just got punished. Oh my God, he's trying to punish too fast.
And you know what? Trey Pound did the perfect thing that you're supposed to do in a situation where you think your opponent's gonna back three, and that's you jump back and make it with. And like I said again, the hyena coming out no matter what. Nicky needs to be careful. He could easily lose this life lead.
Oh yeah, all he needs to take is one more meter burn gunshot.
All right, let's go.
Oh yes, he went for the easy reversal punish.
This sounds incredible for $300. Shout out to Yamaha. Y'all hit a home run on this one. Fellas, like I said, fellas and ladies, like I said, the mic is not really going to do this justice, but when you're watching a YouTube video, it sounds incredible. All right, it sounds better for videos than actual music. You hear the dialogue. Now, when I put on the clear voice, to me, it sounded like the clear voice made the voice a little bit clearer, but I would rock clear voice off and rock this on surround sound. It sounds crazy. Anyway, this is the Yamaha YAS-207, $300. This is a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.